Hi guys, I got a happy mail that I want to share with you, and I was very, very, very happy when I opened it. I was kind of confused when I saw I got the package because I didn't know I had ordered anything that would come that soon. So, it says, well, it says, have an awesome day. And it came from Jean Peter. And this tag was in there in an envelope, and this is by Carol Skinner Hammond. And I wanted to give a shout out for her because this is handmade paper. This is some gorgeous stuff here, some great paper, and it has this envelope. So yes, I'm going to be hanging on to this. This is going to go in my journal that I keep for my Happy Meals, along with this, because I don't want to use this. I love it. And everybody knows how crazy I am about Jean Peter's artwork because I keep her rolling pin right here on my desk. And, you know, this is in case Mr. Pete comes in here and messes with me when I'm trying to craft. I can just knock him out. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Don't get upset. So, I got these two items, and aren't they gorgeous? Look. I love it. I love it. I love it. This little box that I can stick like little, you know, things that I'm using while I'm crafting in. Look at the top, my God. Gorgeous, gorgeous work. And I got this little notepad with a pen, and it's covered up in JP's artwork. Great. Fantastic. Oh, that's some homemade washi tape on there that she's using to cover it up. But anyway, JP, thank you so much. It did brighten my day. I loved it. I have a notepad right now, so I'm not going to open this one until I need it. But this one's about to get filled up. I'm going to use this on my desk. It's going to sit next to my rolling pin. And that way if Mr. Pete comes in here and tries to take a paper clip or whatever I put in here, I go, no, mine. Okay. Thank you, JP. I love it all. See you guys later.